Hey everyone, it's Utsav. In today's video I'm going to do something a little bit different. Instead of the usual hyperlapse to show you how I built a board, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've heard a lot since I got into this hobby. Do mechanical keyboards really sound all that different from one another? I'm going to do this by building two copies of the exact same board, but with different components. Confused? Well, then I sincerely hope you'll keep watching. As usual, links for everything you'll see in this video can be found in the description below. Both boards feature an alu top frame and a polycarbonate bottom case with an internal brass weight and a PC plate. But that's about all they have in common. The white on pink build I'm calling Sakura because, well, the keycaps, and it starts off as an all silicone build with stock Miss Piggies from Wuque that I later modified, first by subbing the poron dampener kit and then by lubing the switches. The pink on white build I'm calling Pono because, well, again, the keycaps. This starts off as an all poron build and sounded damn near perfect with a pre-lubed Pink Robin linears from KFA that I thought was perfect, until I lubed the switches in the Sakura build. The Ikki68 won a fair bit of well-deserved praise last year as an all-around winner for a budget custom keyboard. It ships with a faux suede carrying case that, in my opinion, is a cut above the one that came with my Zoom65. Inside you'll find a color-matched coiled USB-C to USB-A cable, all the accessories you'll need to build the board, the polycarbonate plate, and a 1.2mm flex-cut wired PCB that is remarkable for featuring layout options that usually require a solderable PCB. Split left and right shift, split backspace, step caps lock, ANSI and ISO enter keys, and even split spacebars are all supported. By default, the Ikki68 ships with an all-silicone sound dampening kit. It's a gasket mount board, and one of the many things that makes it unique is that you can keep or remove just about any configuration of the 10 gasket chips to adjust the level of bounce in the board to suit your preferences. I will say up front that I ended up leaving all of mine in, because with the brass internal weight installed, heavy-handed typists like me will experience interference from the bottom of the PCB coming into contact with the top of the weight around the T, Y, and U keys. Yeah, my Mac gave me all sorts of power warnings, and I experienced jitter around those keys whilst typing. Definitely not something you'd want your keyboard to do. The Snow Edition comes with the white aluminum top frame, but for the others like my pink one you have to purchase it separately. The coiled cable, feet and badge, however, are color matched, which is nice. The internal brass weight features an Aurora Borealis theme, appropriate, that you'll never see again once the board is built. Still, it's yet another nice touch and shows off Wuque's attention to detail. On to the sound and typing tests. If you've ever wondered whether mechanical keyboard aficionados like me are on crack when we talk about typing sound and feel, then I hope this video goes some way toward answering that question. ESD interference aside, the Ikki68 firmly dethrones my 2022 MVP, the Zoom 65, with its superior customizability, sonic characteristics, and layout options. Yes, it needs foam to make it pop, and that's an upcharge from the included silicone. And yes, the internal brass weight could have been more carefully considered, given the interference issues that it created in both of my builds. Those gripes aside, I'm very happy that I built two of these, so that I could experience, and share with all of you, just what a difference a few components can make to the sound and feel of a board. And if, like me, you bought into the normie BS about GMK keycaps, then I hope hearing the Osume keycap set will assuage your desire to part with even more of your hard-earned cash, because these look, feel, and sound divine. Alright, that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please help me to grow this channel and drop a like, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want to know whenever I post a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.